if you've been following along for the past couple months, then you know that I have 3 machines that are going to help expand Script and Grain this year. The last one that I ordered was also the first one to arrive and the hardest decision that I have had to make. And if you are in the woodworking industry and one of my maker friends, then I probably yapped your ear off through social media, at WorkbenchCon, or over the phone about what to do, because I am the most indecisive person in the world. And I'm sorry, but your opinions were so valuable to me, and I would suggest to other people that if you are looking for something, then get other people's opinions rather than just scrolling through social media and reading pamphlets. The machine that I am talking about is our new CNC machine, and it was the trifecta dilemma, because Ben and I had our eyes on this machine for several years now, since the last time I went to the World of Concrete in Las Vegas. But as I got into the industry and woodworking a little bit further and went to Workbench Conference, there was a whole other arsenal of CNC machines that I wanted to see the capabilities of. The third component was my workshop. I am totally out of space in my workshop. Had to do this table build 2 weekends ago in order to allow another machine to go on it, but it's in my garage, which I was really ultimately trying to keep everything out of since I do have my own workspace. So the new machine, it fits just fine and will be the perfect addition for now until I can further expand to other ones. So without further ado, let's see what I committed to. I am officially a part of the RedArt CNC family. None of this should really be a surprise at all, because I've been dropping clues in my stories now for the past week and a half. Probably saw some behind the scenes of some concrete work we've both been doing, not just Ben, and that is to prepare our CNC machine because it can engrave concrete. And that would really merge his world of concrete with my world of doing wood signs, because the CNC can do both. Aside from that, this really helps me out with my lack of workshop space, because it is portable. It all can fold up in this case right here. The computer also has a case that is portable as well that comes with the machine, and we can take it to job sites. We can set it up and break it down in our garage if we wanted to. We would be able to physically go somewhere to engrave logos, emblems, what have you, home addresses on residential properties. It really just opens up a whole new world for what we can do with Script and Grain, and I am excited to dive into it, and I'm so glad it's finally out in the open there. I will be sharing with you guys more about what we had going on over here, but this was like my first concrete pour. Ben said it was really crappy concrete, really crappy cement, and we'll have to do better next time. It was also really cold out, and I think it's finally cured since the temperature went up, but we were able to use his talents for him to teach me how to be able to pour this boulder and carve character into it using the stamps that you see over there in order to add some texture to it, and we hope to have this be one of the first engraves that we do with that CNC machine. Of course, I'm going to be showing everything behind the scenes along the way as I learn and grow. So if you're interested in seeing where our journey takes us, make sure you subscribe or follow, and we can show you. Stay tuned.